What's up, rail fans? Today, we're not catching trains, we're riding them. And also, check out my shirt. You like? Awesome. Well, listen, today I'm going to be riding from my home city in Greensboro to Wilson, North Carolina to see my best friend. So come along. And this is the inside of Greensboro's Amtrak station that's been here since 2005, serving local NC trains, the Carolinian, and the Crescent. And now, let's head to the train. This wouldn't be an Amtrak journey without, delays. It's already. Train's supposed to be here 15 minutes ago, but it's okay because we're here for the trains anyway. We don't care how long it takes. And just like that, my train shows up. It's almost like it knew I was talking about it. All right, it's time to board. For a tall guy, you gotta love that Amtrak leg room. On my way. See you later, Greensboro. My favorite, looking at the beautiful North Carolina scenery as it passes by and being mesmerized by the train tracks as we go by at track speed. And yeah, can't forget about the snacks. Saw some fellow rail fans in Durham, and also saw one in Selma, so shout out to us rail fans. It was cool to pass freight trains at track speed. All right, I made it to my stop in Wilson. It's time to go. Oh my God, it's so good to see you. And that was my Amtrak journey. Thanks for watching.